Good morning, everybody. It is December 7th, 2021, and another day, another great day to be alive. We're going to go ahead and hop into this video. First off, I want to start by, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, link in the description. I send out trades every single time I get in, and I send them out with my analysis of why I'm getting in those trades. Definitely get the link in the description so y'all can know when I'm getting in trades instead of watching this video and being late to my trade entry. And then follow me on Instagram down in the description as well at Mr. Whiskey Wayne. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and hop into this video. Great video today. Great video today. We have been stopped out. I took another trade on GBP 80 long this week, and we have been stopped out pretty quickly. It happened pretty quickly. Wow, I got in, had an alert set overnight. I got in overnight when I was asleep, and I also got took out overnight when I was asleep. So it was some pretty massive movement. So let's go ahead and check that trade out first. So as you can see, I had an entry right here at this level. Now, I was looking at my member, I was telling my members, looking at this entry right here at this zone, because we were sitting at a Fibonacci retracement level. I think that was like the 61.8 at the bottom of this level, and then I was like, ooh, maybe we could fall about right here. So I decided to take a long trade on this candle right here. As you can see, it happened. Well, let me jump down to the hour chart. You see, it happened when I took this trade right here at the bottom of the regression line, and the trend, continuing to follow a trend. Like I said, we also had, let's see, like I said, as you can see, where I got entered at, the 61.8. Like I said, my trade was matching up. Sometimes trades just don't work out. And like I said, I got took out pretty quickly. Like I said, this happened. I got in and I was in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. 5 hours. I had the 87 pip stop loss. Got took out in 5 hours. That's a lot of momentum to the downside. Yeah, but that's okay. We're just gonna keep on pushing. It did push back down into this zone, but like I said, right now I am not interested. It seems like the Australian dollar has gained some strength, and the pound is still so weak. So we're gonna stay away from any trying to long this pair at all. I said I lost GBP USD long, and now I lost GBP AUD long. So we're just gonna stay away from the pair from the long trades on the pound dollar. But let's go ahead and talk about my other trades going on. So I still got 4 positions running. Massive wins. Right now, like I said, I'm up 235 pips just in EuroCAD alone. This is the big winner right here. Like I said, I was noticing this last night, and we just started falling and falling. I'm like, yo, this is crazy. We making some massive moves here. We are making some really massive moves. So I just been trailing stops all the way down. Like I said my stops were tight, but now I see that let me see if we can hot down. Oh, it is a 1 hour. Okay. Yeah, that's how it's crazy. This is all in 1 hour. So he even hot down to a 4 hour. It's just disgustingly how strong we've been pushing down. So like so I'm sitting around $37 in just the one trade alone. Looking very good, must say. We'll see what type of pressure we could keep doing, you know. So I want to move my stops to like right here, but I ain't giving myself enough time to see if we could either get down lower or we end up, doing something maybe like, this, right? Coming back up and then it's falling down, right? And if we do that, then I will consider moving stops, to here or something like that. I haven't made the true decision yet, but that's something where I'm trying to see where I could get around. Oh, baby. Trying to see, if these areas will work, but only time will tell. So we will see what will happen in this market. So going on to the USD JPY. Move stops just a little bit higher, standing up just a little bit, about $11. I think around maybe like $60 profit. I mean $60 pips, $60, 60. I mean 60 pips in profit. Dang, I can't speak today. 60 pips in profit. So I did move my stops maybe like I think not even 20. Yeah, like 20, 18 pips, something like that. Not too dangerous. But I do see that we are starting to rebound off this level. So, I will, I'll move stops up. Just like right there. So, that is locking in about $5 more. So just a little bit under 1% of the account. That's cool. That's cool. I said UJ was talking about this level holding here, and as you can see, we started holding, and now we're starting to rally. We're starting to push up. So we'd like to see something towards the highs. The highs are still around about 200 something pips away. Not just 200 pips away, ain't nothing. But I definitely do think we could go get that and grab that and tag that. So, we definitely will see, especially how we are reacting off of this level. People are seeming to be responding to this level. People are seeming to be interested. So we are going to keep moving stops up just in case people want to break back down and push price back down. Going into the Euro, Euro British pound, which I said it's been doing nothing as well. And this pair has just been trading sideways for the last 4, 8, 12, 16 hours. It's just been trading sideways. Ain't nothing really interesting. We are in profit. But like I said, I'm not moving stops or nothing. It just ain't gave me no real space to break down. If he would have broke down last night, just like every other Euro pair, I would have moved stops to break even, but it didn't happen. The pound do seem to be resilient against the euro. Like I said, so people are still seeming interested in buying the euro versus the pound. Like I said, it's a little misconfluence with this pair. A lot of sideways action with this pair, so nothing really happening with this one. Just got to keep waiting, keep watching. And then we have euro dollar. Finally, euro dollar starting to break out. Like I was talking about how this trend. Talk about how this trend we was watching. Once it broke, I was looking for a short entry. Well, we came down. We did break. Came down, we broke, got it for a short entry. We had the little retest of the trend line. Finally, we had some consolidation, and then we finally broke down to the bottom of this box right here. So we could close below this box. Will solidify my stops to break even. Because I said right now we're only about 16, 17 pips in profit. Still not enough, to move anything of natures of that. So, man, I'm yawning too much today, man. Work last night was so rough. I was outside in the cold, man. It was so rough. So let's go ahead. Let's I look. Like I said, GBP odd. Just definitely just a trade that didn't work out for me. This could be, like I said, this could be an entry right here, but right now, like I said, I've just been losing on long pairs for the pound. Even though I said I did gain 300 pips on this pair, it did erase like 300 pips. So I got in here before, rolled that all the way up, and as you can see, it's all the way back down. So the pair has completely reversed. So we still gotta be careful. Can't be biased to a trade just because he made us money before. Gotta realize, that things change in the market. So let's see, we looking at, let's see if anything else is interesting. USD CAD, remember I was talking about this level right here, buying it, holding for the trend. Glad I didn't. As you can see, it definitely did fall through. We definitely are looking more bearish now. Would like to see maybe a retest of the 1.2746 level before going short on this pair. Would like to go short on this pair, but we need some type of retest, some type of test that could get me into this trade and having stops around maybe the highs. About some stops like maybe around the highs, looking to target lows. Definitely looking for a setup that could definitely be something. But like I said, time will tell. We will get in. I will set an alert, so I will know to go short. right there. What was that alert? CAD JPY. Looking for a retest back down into this line. Like I said, that's what I was interested for. We do have, like I said, it a short trend trade that we could see bottom back into here, but I just don't see that happening, especially since we are in the uptrend. Yeah, we had this little pullback, but the overall CAD yen is in the uptrend, so we'll just have to wait to see. Looking at dollar Swiss franc, dollar Swiss franc. Let me zoom in. We're looking for see if we could get a retest back down to here. I guess we did technically miss this trade because we do have the breakout, the retest right here. Now the breakout again, coming back down, touching the EMA line. We did find support right here, and now it's pushing up. So that trade is probably a dud. So we might look to, we pretty much probably like just missed out on this trade. So I'll probably just take that off my watch list. So I said that's pretty much it for the trades today. Dollar index still holding strong after all this news, still grinding up. So the dollar is still resilient in every pair against the dollar, as we can see. But those are pretty much just, like I said, the trades that I'm in, the trades that are updated, we are up around $56.36 on the account today, this week. Great start off to the week. We've been 2 days green. That's what I'm talking about. Stops, market's just been pushing my way. Euro Canadian has been paying me to this week. So definitely, loving that pair right now. Hey, USD JPY has also been paying slowly, but it's still been paying. Still good to see. Like I said, the Euro GBP, yeah, but then the pound dollar. The GBP. Euro dollar has also been paying, and so we end up breaking stops. Like I said, we end up breaking down our move stops, solidified stops to break even. We'll call that a successful trade. Have 3 out of the 4 entries of my trades at break even. This week we only have 1 loss, and so that's always good to see. And all my other trades are winners so far. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like you said, if you want to get into the trades I'm getting into, when I get into, go ahead, click the link in the description. It's my free Telegram channel where you can join and follow the trades I'm getting into. I talk about trades, all the trades that I'm entering, the reasonings why I'm entering, and you can see my win rate. I post my win rate every single month. At the end of the month, how many pips I caught for each pair, these trades, all that. So definitely click the link in the bio. You definitely won't be disappointed. My name is Dwayne the Trader, and all right, guys, I'm out.